This is a video about Venn diagrams that you can use with smaller children. They're not really going to be doing much mathematics with this, but what they're going to do is get the idea of what a Venn diagram is. So, what I have is, these are called attribute blocks. So if you notice, they have different colors. They have different colors, shapes, and sizes. Like here's a big triangle and a little triangle. But they also have a thickness. So if you notice these two triangles, if you look at it from this is a thin triangle and that's a thick triangle. So there's also thickness here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Venn diagrams to show how we can sort these by attributes. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick 3 attributes. I don't like the thickness one because that's hard to show in a video. So I'm going to pick a color, a shape, and a size. So let's look at blue circles, and we'll make them small. So I'm going to make a Venn diagram . And in that Venn diagram, this will be my blue, this will be my circle, and this will be my small. So when I have a blue small circle, it will go in the middle in all 3. And then I'll look through and I'll get all my blue small circles and I'll put them in there. Well, now I have blue large circles. So they're blue and they're circles, but they're not small, they're large. So they're going to go here. So now let's look at another attribute of just blue and small. So these are all the shapes that they're blue and they're small, but they're not circles. So then to fill in for the rest, these are all my shapes that are blue. They're not circles, and they're not small. So everything in here, it's all blue. And then in this little bit, they're all circles, and in this little bit, they're all small. So now I can get the rest of my shapes and say, okay, these are small, but they're not blue. Oops, I have to put my circles aside. So they're not blue, and they're not circles. So these are all the blues that are not circles and not blue and not circles. So now these are my circles that are small, but they're not blue. So this area right here, they're small circles that are not blue. This area right here, they're blue, small, but they're not circles. Now, the rest of my circles will go here, and then the rest of the shapes will go outside because they're large, not blue, not circles. There's a stray small triangle. And I'll just put some So here is my completed Venn diagram where everything in this circle, that's my blue circle, and everything is blue. So everything in this is my circle, and then everything here are all the small shapes. So everything outside is what is not all the attributes. They're not blue, they're not circles, they're not small. So then we can look at each individual place. These are the not blue, not circle, but small. These are the blue and small, but not circle. These are the small and circles, but not blue. This is all three blue small circles. This is circles that aren't small. These are shapes that are blue, not small, and not circled. And these are my circles that are blue but not small. So this is a way that you can introduce kids to Venn diagrams, and they're just placing the shapes in the proper area, and then they can kind of understand how a Venn diagram works and the structure of it, and how each little section of these circles in the Venn diagram are subdividing into different compartments, and why we will put certain pieces in certain places. So there will be an assignment for you to upload with this, and basically what you have to do is you print out, or you can make your own from paper, these attribute blocks, and you're going to make your own Venn diagram with those, and then take a picture of it when you're done and upload that. So this is an activity that you can do with kids, little kids, with Venn diagrams.